Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video I am going to be showing you a glam high-end DIY vase centerpiece. If that's interesting to you, stay tuned, but please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright Glamettes, let's get to crafting. Now for this vase, we're taking this this thrifted vase. I am going to be using my mirrored mosaic tile, and this mirrored tile is actually sponsored by bbcraft.com, and also some diamond brooches from Total Dazzle, which they sponsored the brooches. I'm going to drop BB Craft and Total Dazzle information down in my description box. Please make sure you check those links and score you some good items to help create you some wonderful DIYs. Alright you guys, now this portion of the video is sponsored by XSense. XSense is a global home safety brand. I partnered with them before. Now I received this carbon monoxide and smoke detector combo. Make sure you do check my description box for XSense website link and also my discount code. And you guys, I'm just going to unbox the package. And once again, XSense does make home safety products. And with this smoke and carbon monoxide detector alarm, it was actually a pack of 3, as you can see here. And you guys, this carbon monoxide and smoke detector actually has a 10-year warranty. You heard me right, a 10-year warranty. Now this detector is actually a system for your whole entire house notification. If one alarm goes off, it is automatically interlinked with the other ones, and all of them follow suit to alarm as well. It gives you a wide coverage for full house protection, and it interlinks with up to 24 XSense Link Smoke, CO, or combination alarms in your home. You heard me right. So if you have, the larger your home, you can include a total of 24. You can go up to 24, you guys, of these and link them for your whole entire house. And one thing I do love about these, you guys, is not only is it your smoke detector, but it is your carbon monoxide detector. You guys, there's so many people that face death each year because of carbon monoxide in their home. As you can see here, I am just testing it out and letting you see that it does work. It is chirping very, very, very loud. I am going to set it up and allow you to watch me put this on the wall. So do make sure you check that link, and it has an on and off switch on the back. The package, like I said, came with 3. You got your 3 detectors and your 3 wall mounts. It comes with the screws and everything as well, and it has the 2-in-1 protection built in with a full electric smoke sensor and a electrochemical CO sensor to protect your home from these 2 potentially deadly threats. Once again, this has a 10-year built-in battery, and it gives you uninterrupted 24/7 monitoring with that 10-year sealed lithium battery, freeing you from the frequency of battery replacement. I know you have heard videos of being at someone's house and that constant chirping sound because that battery needs to be replaced. Well, you guys, you won't even have to worry about that with this for at least 10 years. Now, I took down my old carbon monoxide detector, and I'm just placing this one up. And as you can see, we're getting it all screwed in, all put in place. But this is a worry-free sale. So if you order this through Amazon, and we're using Amazon link to purchase it through, you guys, it has a 60-day money-back guarantee, a 5-year warranty, and a lifetime customer support. And they always tell you, feel free to reach out to them if you have any issues. Now, this is very, very easy to install. As you can see, I installed this, you guys, just with the regular old Phillips screwdriver. Super easy to install. has magnificent battery life, and it is a great value for the money, you guys. This 3-pack set, you guys, was only a whopping $113. You can buy the single pack as well, but it was $113. And make sure you do use my discount code for this as well, you guys. It is also integrated for Alexa if you run a smart home, which you guys, you know that is a plus. And as you can see, me putting it back here on the wall, it is very stylish. Now here I'm just showing you that when you place this on the wall where you have your 3 cutouts, it won't line up. Originally I put it up lined up with the 1 cut on the bottom. You just have to angle it probably about 1/4 inch to your left to get it set up symmetrical, because you know I'm a symmetrical girl. But this is it. Thank you, XSense, for reaching out to me. Now you guys, we're jumping right back into the video. I'm going to just be adding this mirror mosaic tile on for the sake of saving my voice, you guys. Please just follow me along as we complete this DIY project. Subscribe button. Here on the Glam Queen of DIY, you get glam high-end DIYs, you get a little bit of home renovations, and a few sponsored videos as well. If that sounds like something you will be interested in, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also share the video with your family and friends. I appreciate everyone's loyal love and support. And to you guys, as I was doing this vase, I decided that it needed just a little bit more pizzazz. So once I get this brooch glued down, what I'm going to do, you guys, is I am actually going to paint the inside. The vase is very gorgeous, clear, but it just needs just a little bit more. So I'm going to paint the inside of this vase, you guys, with my Rust-Oleum 2 times the coverage spa blue spray paint, and I'm going to add a little bit more of those diamond rhinestone embellishments around some of the mirrors. We're going to paint these, and that's it, you guys. Now that my piece is painted, you guys, I decided not to add the other embellishment because this made this vase perfect. Please don't forget, if you're still watching, make sure you join the Glam Queen brand, and that is the Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen of Decor. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.